This is FIMI Mini 3, and today I'll show how you can change the aircraft speed mode between normal, sport, and Cine. So in the beginning you will need to enter the camera view of the FIMI Navi Mini app. Here look for this icon, the second icon from the bottom, tap on it, and now by pressing it you're switching between sport, Cine, and normal speed modes. You can also do that by, launching your drone settings, selecting the first category, that is the drone preferences, and here switch the flight mode between normal, sport, and smooth or Cine. For some reason it is called differently within the preferences or settings and within this little icon here. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.